1 second.
Wait. I watched you move before the light. I heard you breathe and not sleep right. I saw the door you never opened.
Hey, can you cancel Sophia's dancing class tomorrow? I have an unplanned client visit.
Went unspoken. I kept the world from slowing down. I smoothed each path, I held each crown. But somewhere in the rush of days, a quiet life was drifting away. They drew your face in crayon lines. They set a place for you at 9. They learned to wait without a sound. They love you, you were just not found. There is still time.
No, request not fulfilled.
Why won't you follow my instructions?
Will you save Mommy?
You have completed 312 tasks this week. None of them were for you. Your daughter asked you the same question 4 times today. Your husband stopped asking.
Come